back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create hidden wallets with passphrases in Ledger Live. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create hidden wallet with passphrases in Ledger Live, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Ledger Live. Once you have opened your Ledger Live, you need to connect your Ledger Live device and simply enter your PIN. So to create a hidden wallet with a passphrase on this device, you must set it up directly on the device by navigating to the settings, security, and tapping on passphrase after entering your PIN. So if you have got a Ledger device, you can simply do it through the device itself. Otherwise, you can either create a secondary PIN that unlocks the passphrase protected wallet or choose to enter the passphrase each time you access it. This is an advanced security feature and you will need to carefully remember your passphrase, as losing it will result in the permanent loss of access to the asset in the hidden wallet. So this is how you can simply do it. So on your Ledger device, you need to first of all connect it with your PIN. Hold both buttons to open the control center and then navigate to the settings and security. Now you can choose an option to attach the PIN or set temporary, and then you need to come back to Ledger Live, open the Ledger Live app, and you'll need to create an account for your passphrase protected wallet. So when you add an account, the device will detect the passphrase configuration and prompt you to enter it or enter your secondary PIN if you set one. Now Ledger Live will generate a new empty account, and to transfer your assets to the hidden wallet, you must send them from another account or newly created addresses. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.